So the Galaxy S10 has become a major side of all those leaks out there. We have covered a lot of reports here, and at this point we are pretty much aware of the next big flagship. Now to make it more clear, Samsung Mobile.news has shared these pictures of the S10 alongside the S10 Plus. As you can see, the devices look exactly the way the renders predicted them to be. You can even spot the hole in display tag on both of these devices and the triple rear camera setup. This also confirms the presence of a dual camera setup for the S10 Lite and a crazy quad camera implementation for the S10 5G variant. Most importantly, the headphone jack is still present at the bottom of these phones, and I expect every S10 model to have it, as this is the most important launch for Samsung to boost sales and occupy a non-struggling position in the market. The speakers look kinda like the Note 9, that again confirms one of those early reports. The devices do highlight hole in display tag even when they are locked, and if you are looking at that boot logo, then I must tell you that these are just prototypes and the final version may admire a complete boot logo. All after that, these devices look very clean unlike previous ones, and you must expect some more leaks like this in the coming days. The Galaxy S10 Plus has been in the rumors with a 4000 mAh battery upgrade, but now according to Ice Universe, it's even better than the Galaxy Note 9. Samsung is expected to just pack a 4100 mAh battery in a 7.8mm thick body. That means we'll have all those great upgrades in a real slim package. For a very quick comparison, the Galaxy S9 Plus admires a thickness of 8.5mm with much lower specification. It's great achievement for Samsung and for those who will be getting this piece of power. Again, Ice Universe says that the Galaxy S10 will highlight one of these features of the Galaxy A8s. A lot of reports suggest that this is a type of secondary display, but to be very clear, they are all wrong, as Samsung was unable to put a display on a camera lens without any problem, so they introduced the hole in display tag, and when we talk about this, it's just a gesture that looks cool. Now, speaking of that hole, some people were concerned if the hole cuts out a part of an app, just because a notch does. So for them, Ice Universe says that Samsung has made the status bar wider, which will accommodate the hole, and you'll not experience that while using an app. At the same time, a lot of people will complain about the status bar, as it will obviously occupy a good area while surfing the web or different apps, but it's not that bad if you just compare a notch with it. A Twitter user named Gregory Blake has posted some pictures of Galaxy S10 as well as a screenshot that specifically highlights the Samsung blockchain key store. It's a kind of app where you could store cryptocurrencies. It should be secure enough, as Samsung is considered for good approaches. Right now, it's only showing Ethereum as an option, but I am sure that a lot of other cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin will be available here. If you are involved in this thing, then I must tell you that this is the best way to store your cryptocurrency securely. But for those who don't, it's not that important. So yeah, Samsung is going for the Unpacked Bash on 20th of February, and for daily updates like this, you know what to do. Peace out.